Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm here with another Pokemon card opening. I've got this 10, and inside there is 2 Pokemon card booster packs, along with a sticker sheet and a Pokemon card showing art from the mini 10. So we're going to open this one up. I've opened up 2 previously, 2 of the 10s from this series. And you can watch those down in the playlist. I'm trying to get all the cards from this art set. Okay, so here is the front of the 10. You can always see it a lot better without that plastic on it. Here's the back. Tells you what's all inside and everything like that. And this is what the back of the 10 looks like. And inside, oh goodness, sorry guys. You got your sticker sheet. And of course the art card to match it. And then we got a Scarlet and Violet and a Silver Tempest, which is usually what's inside this 10. Scarlet and Violet's my favorite, so we're going to open up Silver Tempest first. We got a Fletchling. I see him a lot. A Chimecho. Phoebus. Fennekin. Spinarch. The reverse holo is Alucha. And we got a Lugia V. That's a very pretty card. So we'll set him right here. And then the code card. I think I've been averaging 1 pull per 10. Let's see if we can get a second pull from the Scarlet and Violet. There's Momla. Palmo. He's cute. Toad School. Rotom. Rocky Helmet. Mabostiff. Miriam. Reverse holo is a Switch. And Oh wait, that's not the reverse hollow. Oh, is it? And then we got a Starly. That was weird. Oh, no, I'm not sure. And then Klefki is the hollow. And then you got your energy, and there's a code card. Oh, that's right, because it's Scarlet and Violet. If you like Pokemon cards, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.